So hi guys, we are back again with the 20 days of Power BI from zero to hero, from beginning to advanced. So we have completed the basic of the group by function in the previous video. So we will come up with the advance of the group by function. Before I go to the advance, one thing I have missed out. That is, I have told you that with product you can sum up the quantity or average the quantity, but there is one more column with which you can use the sum operation or the average operation, that is sales amount. Okay, so on the basis of product, what is the total sales amount? On the basis of product, which product is giving me the most revenue? Which product is giving me the lowest revenue? I can add them up. Okay. So for that, I will go to group by and I will use the basic only. And on the basis of which column you are going to group by, you on the basis of the product column. You just clicked on product. Okay. And what will be the name of the new column? The output will show in which column? It will be total sales amount. It will be total sales amount. Okay, it will be total sales amount. And what type of operation are you going to do? You are going to do a sum, because you want the total amount of sales that have been done by you, that have been done in your company for a particular product. Okay, the total amount of revenue you earned for a particular product from your company. Okay, so I will click on which in this case quantity will work. No, I am going to, I want the total sales amount. So I will select sales amount only. I will click select sales amount only. I will not select quantity, because I do not want the total number of quantities that have been sold. I want the total amount of revenue or the total amount of sales I have earned from up selling a particular product. Okay, from my company. So I click on OK. So you can see for monitor it is 6522019, for tablet it is 6451804, for keyboard it is 5930713, and for mouse it is something, and for laptop also. So what is it showing me? Is it showing me that which product gives you the highest revenue? Which product gives you the highest revenue? You can see laptop is the product that gives me the highest revenue, that is 6624831. And which product gives you the lowest revenue? Keyboard is the product that gives me the lowest revenue, 5930713. So this is the thing, you can use the group by function for data analysis purpose also. If your company have 20 number of products, or 18 number of products, so you go and calculate each and every product, that how what is the total revenue from each and every product? No, use Power BI and use the group by function, and you can easily get that for which product I am getting what amount of money or what amount of revenue. Okay, and which product is generating the highest revenue and which product is generating the lowest revenue. The product which is generating the highest revenue, I will boost this product in the market more and more, because there is a high demand, I think. And the product which is giving me the lowest revenue, I will work on that, and I will do something better for that product, and I will market it. I will use some marketing strategies for that product. So this is how you can go and use the Power BI for data analysis. Okay, so now I want the total sales amount as well as the average sales amount simultaneously. I need a particular column for the total sales amount, and I need a particular column for the average sales amount. So that you can use the group by, but basic will not work. Basic will not work because you need the advanced function there. You can go to group by, and if you go for basic, then you can get only the sum or only the average. You can get only the sum or only the average. You cannot get the both simultaneously. What you have to do, you have to go to advanced, and after going to advanced, you click on what, on the basis of which you are going to group by, on the basis of product. In this case, if you need another group by, so you can just add grouping. You can just click on add grouping. So you can click on add grouping and create another group by also. But I do not need that. I will do on the basis of product only. Okay. Now what will be the column name? The first column name will be total sales amount. That is, what is the total sales my company or the product have generated for each and every product I will count. Okay. So operation will be sum, and in which column this operation will work? This will work on sales amount, because I need the total sales amount of the product as well as the average sales amount of the product. For that, I will click on add aggregation. So in this case, I need average also. So I will give the name average sales amount. And after clicking on that, what type of operation I will do? I will do average. And in this case I will also select sales amount because I need the total sales amount per category or per group, and I also need the average sales amount per category or the per group. If you want for more types of statistics, you can click on add aggregation, and by clicking on add aggregation you can generate multiple statistics in a particular sheet. Okay, so I need the sum as well as the average only, so I will click on OK. So you can see for monitor the total sales amount, it is already being generated in the previous case when we used basic, but the average sales amount also being appeared. From the average sales amount you can also predict that which product is generating highest average sales amount. This is also an statistics. This will also help you for data analysis purpose. So if you want two or more columns, two or more statistics at a particular time, if you want the sum, if you want the average, if you want more and more statistics in a particular simultaneously, then you use the group by, not the basic, you use the advanced. In the case of basic, what you have done, in the case of basic only you can generate a single column, the sum operation or the average operation or the median operation or the maximum operation or the minimum operation. But if you want multiple statistics, the minimum as well as the average as well as the total as well as the median, if you want multiple statistics you have to go to group by and use the advanced option. So what is the difference between basic and advanced? Always remember, basic gives you one statistics at a time and advanced gives you multiple statistics. Not only multiple statistics, it also gives you many types of grouping and multiple statistics at a particular time. Okay, this is how we use group by in Power BI, and this is very interesting and very useful when you are working with the company data or when you are working with the real life data, because in that case you will not go and add them up, that how much monitor have been sold or what is the total amount of monitor that have been sold. You, what we will do, you will use Power BI and use the group by function and you will get the statistics, and it will take you fraction of seconds. Okay, so this is how you can use Power BI for group by functions. Thank you. So let us move to some other things. We will move to some other things in the next video, that we have completed this total part. Okay, this total part have been completed. If you haven't seen yet, I am repeating it multiple times. If you haven't seen yet, please do, and please go to the previous videos. You go to the Ecovision Academy channel and go to the Power BI playlist. These types of things, manage parameters, enter data, we will do. These types of things are advanced types of things, we will do it later. After completing, we have completed this transform part, we will go to this transform or add column or view to these parts. Okay, so up to this, if there is any doubt, you can just contact us or leave a comment in our YouTube channel box. So thank you guys. Please subscribe our channel.